Planet Omega. You have just crash-landed in the most dangerous place in the galaxy. The aliens of Planet Omega don't like strangers. They'll destroy you in any way they can. The point of the game is to wipe everybody out. How fun is that?
Wow, I can't believe you got Omega 2. How'd you get it? It's not even out yet.
Arr, arr. It's a pirate life for me.
Wow, Omega 2. Maybe that guy is a genius after all. Ro, Gus got Planet Omega 2. Maybe he'll let us borrow it. You hear me, Ro? Gus got Planet Omega 2.
Alien freaks surrounding me.
Ro?
Spaceship crash.
What? You okay, Robotboy?
Robotboy must escape Planet Omega.
Gus? You use Robotboy to pirate your video game off the internet. Now it's gotten into his programming and he thinks he's on Planet Omega.
Hey, maybe he could help me get past the Overlord on level 4. Yo, Ro, have you seen a 7-foot-tall alien, like mid-eyeballs kind of thing? Hello?
Robotboy, terminate Overlord.
Robotboy, what are you doing? It's just Gus. It's not a disgusting alien freak. Well, at least not an alien. I better call Professor Mishima.
Now carefully retract the processor. Oh, it's Tommy. So, Tommy, how you doing? Oh, sounds like a common net virus, Tommy. Oh, unfortunately, I need to continue with my emergency repair of the Moshimo moonscope, but I will put you in touch with a good robot repairman.
Thanks, Professor.
Got a robot that needs fixing?
Exactly, sir. Come in. There he is.
Silence, you moron! You should be thankful you didn't have a beard!
There. That should take care of the virus.
Great. How can I thank you?
I'd love some coffee, if it's not too much trouble. And maybe something to nibble on?
Constantine! Get back in the van! You waster!
Well, on second thought, I've got to get moving.
Yes, Gus. What do you want? You want to use him to pirate another game? You can't use Robotboy to pirate Veggie Wars 3, The Reckoning. I said no, Gus!
Destroy Omega freaks.
Oh, no! You okay, honey?
Tommy, your stupid doll almost killed me!
Sorry, Dad. You didn't get rid of the virus. He's still acting crazy.
We'll send the specialist right away! That's it!
Is he all right?
Negative. It's hopeless.
What?
The virus has spread to his brain.
His brain?
The only thing to do is put him out of his misery.
No way! I don't believe you! He has to get better!
Destroy Omega Alien!
Suit yourself. But I charge more for follow-up visits.
Robot Boy!
I'm afraid Robotboy is too dangerous in this condition. He's a serious threat to everyone, including you.
Robot Boy would never hurt me.
We don't know that.
Yes, we do!
We all love Robotboy. But with this virus, he's not really Robotboy anymore. Just a ruthless engine of destruction. We have no choice. I'm emailing you the Control-Delete software.
Control-Delete? But that'll destroy him.
I'm sorry, Tommy. It has to be done.
Control-Delete. Download completed.
My plan is working.
But boss, why do you want to destroy Robotboy? I thought you wanted to make him work for us.
He will work for us from beyond the grave. Once he's terminated, I take him apart and learn the secret of super activation and create an army of evilish robot boys.
Oh, boss, you're a genius.
Tell me something I don't know.
You'll always be the best friend I've ever had, Robot Boy. Forgive me, Ro.
Robot Boy.
Robotboy!
Hello, Mr. Tumble. Looking for the public dump? Don't bother. I'll be happy to claim the body in the name of science.
I should have known you were behind all of this, Dr. Kamikaze.
Aunt Constantine, I'm sorry for your loss.
Now that Robotboy is dead, you'll no longer be needing my implant.
Your implant?
You see, there was nothing wrong with him at all.
So now he's cured.
Yes. Too bad it's too late.
Oh, but it's not too late. I never used this.
What?
I couldn't destroy Robot Boy. I just pretended to use it. Game over, Kamikaze. Let's get to work, Robot Boy.
Repair bots! Harm them!
Boy! I'm so glad you're back!
Yes? Ah, Tommy. Life without Robotboy, it's so sad, isn't it?
Robotboy's alive! He's okay! It wasn't the virus that was making him act so crazy. It was kamikaze!
Thank goodness! Let me speak to him.
Not right now.
I guess there's one small thing he just needs to take care of.
Destroy! Omega 3